Hi everyone, this is Katie with DEK Designs, and today I'm going to be showing you our July mystery kit and also a spread that I made for it. And also we're doing a giveaway. And so if you want to enter into the giveaway, make sure to comment below what your biggest achievement is so far this year, since we're like halfway through the year. And also below, I'm tagging the other ambassadors that are also doing videos with their spreads. So make sure to check out their videos, and you can also comment on their giveaways for an extra chance to win the July mystery kit. And also today we have spots open for the August mystery kit. And so if you want to sign up for that, I have attached the link below in the description for the sign up page, and you can see more information about the details of what you get in the mystery kit. And it is exclusive to the subscription, so make sure to sign up if you don't want to miss out on an exclusive kit through our mystery kit subscription. Okay, so first I'm going to show you what the kit looks like. It is in silver foil, and here is the bonus that is included in this month's mystery kit. It's a clear foil overlay, a quarter sheet sticker that has watermelon designs on it. That's going to look super cute added to your spreads with this sticker kit. And then now I'm going to flip through the whole kit. So here are the full boxes. I absolutely love the sweet summertime foil on there and the accents. And the colors are just so vibrant and watercolor-ishy and just pops off the page. Makes me just think summer when I look at it. And the next page, we have the Monday through Sunday tabs, and then we have washi strips at the bottom. Next, we have some more washi strips, half scallop circles. And the next page has the 3-bow checklist and some more accents. And then we have the headers and glitter headers for the week. And just look how bright that foil is. And we have some more full boxes and heart, date, dots, weekend script on this page. Next, we have our functional boxes with the foil accents on it. And then we have our icons, and then the fashion girls and the full boxes. I absolutely love the artwork here. And then we have the deco sheet. So we have some fashion girls, some watermelon items, and some bunches of flowers. Okay, so that's all the sticker sheets that come with the monthly mystery kit subscription. And again, the subscription is like $16, so it is very much well worth the money. Make sure to check out the link below for the August mystery kit subscription while spots are still open. Make sure to sign up for that so you don't miss out on the exclusive kit for August. And then now I'm going to flip through my planner and show you the spread that I created with this mystery kit. So I'm using my Hobonichi cousin planner, and I'm just going to flip through to the day that I started at. Those are my extra sheets. And then here's the first 2 pages for my dailies with the sticker kit. And look at all the stickers that I still have left over after doing a week in my planner. And this is me also like using a lot of the stickers. I could have stretched it out like way longer. So you could definitely use this for more than just 1 week. And here's the first 2 pages. I have like my checklist section and then my reflection section. And then I kind of like put those full boxes where I wanted to. I just think it looks so gorgeous and girly and sparkly. I love it. And the little deco elements just really tie everything all together, like that fashion girl on the bottom left-hand corner. Just really ties it all together and makes it come to life. And as you can see, I also included the overlays on my spreads too, which added just an extra dynamic element to my pages. And then here's the last day, the Sunday for the week. And that's my week with the mystery kit spread for July. So remember, if you do want to enter into the giveaway to receive this kit for free, to comment below what is like one of your biggest like achievement, or what have you achieved so far the first 6 months of this year, and we will pick a winner and comment and notify you through YouTube. And also make sure to check out our other ambassadors videos to have like a second more chances basically to possibly win this free mystery kit, sticker kit. And I put their tags in the description below, so you can just kind of bounce around to the other videos and see how they set up their planners with this kit, and to get inspired by that, and also to enter into the chance to win. I want to thank you all so much for stopping by our channel and supporting our shop and watching our videos and commenting. It means the world to us, and we appreciate you all. If you have any questions about the mystery kit, go ahead and ask them below. We also have a playlist on our channel showing all the past mystery kits, if you want to see what they look like too, if you kind of want to gauge what they look like with the style and if you'd be interested in them. Thank you again for stopping by, and I'll see you all again next time. Bye everyone.